सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर।
वेलकम टू पंचतंत्र क्लास। सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम। संस्कृत प्रणयेभ्यः संस्कृत छात्रेभ्यः। जानन्ति भवन्तः अस्माभिः एतावत् पर्यन्तम् 18 कथाः पठिताः अधीताः सन्ति। 18 त्रिविंशति तत्र कथाः सन्ति मित्रभेदे। पंचतन्त्रस्य प्रथमतन्त्रे मित्रभेदे त्रयोविंशति कथाः सन्ति विद्यन्ते। तासु कथासु एतावत् पर्यन्तं गतकक्षा पर्यन्तम् 18 कथाः अस्माभिः पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य नूतना कथा प्रारभते। धर्मबुद्धि पापबुद्धि कथा इति अस्याः कथायाः नाम। Friends, we have so far studied, as you know, 18 stories out of the 23 stories that are available in the first tantra of Panchatantra, namely the Mitra Bheda, where the dominant characters are Sanjeevaka and Pingalaka. These are the main characters. Pingalaka is the lion, Sanjeevaka is the bull, and there was a friendship brought about between these two, and unable to put up with the friendship of this lion and the bull, the Karataka, Damanaka, the two erstwhile ministers of the Pingalaka, and especially Damanaka, the villain, Damanaka brings about a break or a separation between the two best friends. That is how the Tantra is named after Mitra Bhedaha, Mitrayoho Bhedaha, Mitra Bhedaha. So, Dharma Buddhi, Papa Buddhi Katha. Srinivas,
Yes, sir.
you can go ahead.
Yeah. Kasminchit adadisthane.
Oh, Adadisthane is there. Kasminchid Adhisthane. Kasminchid
Dharmabuddhihi.
Adhisthane.
Sorry, adhisthane. Okay. Kasminchit adhisthane dharmabuddhihi papabuddhischeti द्वे मित्रे प्रतिवसतः स्म। अथ कदाचित् पापबुद्धिना चिन्तितम्। अहं तावन् मूर्खो दारिद्र्योपेतश्च तदेनं धर्मबुद्धिमादाय देशान्तरं गत्वा अस्य आश्रयेण अर्थोपार्जनं कृत्वैनमपि वाञ्छयित्वा सुखी भवामि।
So Kasminchit, as usual, Kasminchit Grame, Kasminchit Adhisthane, Kasminchit Rajye. So this is the way the story is introduced in our Panchatantra. Kasminchit Adhisthane, in some city, some place. What happened? Dharma Buddhihi, Papa Buddhihi, characters are introduced who used to live in some place. There were two people by this name, Dharma Buddhihi, Papa Buddhihi. Quite interesting names are there. Dharma is against the antonym like word you can take, Srinivas. What is dharma, adharma? But here is papa. Adharma is papa otherwise, isn't it?
Yes.
So Dharma Buddhi is the character's name, another character name is Papa Buddhi. Both are friends here. Buddhi, Papa Buddhi cha iti dve mitre. Now look at the mitra shabda used here, you know, it's a very simple grammatical word. Mitram, mitre, mitrani, mitra shabda is napumsakalinga. Therefore, the numerical number dve is used here, not dvau. It is not dvau sukhrudau. Dvau mitre, no, dve mitre, two friends. Prativasataha sma, they lived. In some place, two friends lived by name Dharma Buddhi and another's name is Papa Buddhi. Evil-minded Papa Buddhi, Dharma Buddhi is virtuous-minded if you translate in English. Virtuous-minded and evil-minded. These are the names of the two friends who lived in some place, right? Atha, then one day, so happened, Kadachit one day, Papa Buddhina Chintitam. This Papa Buddhi only had a thought, not the Dharma Buddhi. Papa Buddhina Chintitam. Chintitam is Tantam, you know, Papa Buddhi Mitrena Evam Chintitam Asti. He thought like this. aham tavat tavan murkha. You know, Papa Buddhi knows his capabilities, his IQ, etc. So he says, aham tavan murkha, tavat murkha. I am firstly, in the first place, I am a fool. Daridrya upetascha. Firstly, I am a fool. On top of that, daridrya upetascha. Daridrena upetaha. Samanchitaha. Daridrena samanchitaha upetaha iti. Firstly, I am a fool, and secondly, I am down with poverty. I am down with poverty. I am united with poverty. Tat. So, enam dharma buddhim adaya. So, this is the Papa Buddhist thinking. He thought that I am basically a fool, and on top of that, I am poverty stricken. Otherwise, daridryopeta means poverty stricken. So, tat means so. Enam etat shabda. Etam dharma buddhim adaya. So, taking this, my friend Dharma Buddhi, who is intelligent, deshantaram gatva, anyo deshaha deshantaram, that is how. So, deshantaram, gramantaram, nagarantaram, we frequently use. Another country, as I was telling you, Srinivas, in the last class, in ancient India, medieval India also, our countries were very, very small. India was divided into hundreds of countries. And they would frequently go from one place to, like in the main story of this Mitra Bheda, one merchant goes with his cart, in the beginning. He takes a cart and goes on to another country to make business. And on the way, the Sanjeevaka breaks his leg. That is the main story.
Yes.
So very frequently people used to go from their particular country to neighboring country. So that is why Deshantaram. Deshantaram dharma buddhi madaya svikrutya. Adaya means taking him along. Deshantaram anyo deshaha gatva. Very simple. Asya ashrayena, with his company, with his support, with the support of dharma buddhi. Asya dharma buddhehe mitrasya ashrayena, by taking his ashraya, by resorting to him, his company. Artha uparjanam krutva. So, with the help of Dharma Buddhi, who is intelligent and skilled, Arthoparjanam krutva, Arthasya uparjanam, Dhanarjanam, Dhana arjanam. Arjanam is earning. Artha is, Arthoparjanam, Dhanarjanam krutva, Pradisandhi krutva, Enamapi vanchayitva. See, now here comes his papist buddhi. His evil mind is expressed here. I will take his help, I will go with him to the foreign country, I will make money with his help, support, and then enam dharma buddhim evam kutva enam api dharma buddhim api vanchayitva. So cheating him finally. First we'll earn together, then I'll cheat him. Sukhi bhavami, this is the thinking. Sukhi bhavami, sukham jivami. So I will live happily. This is the evil thinking of Papa Chintanam of Papa Buddhi. Yeah.
Atha anyasmin ahani Papa buddhi dharma buddhim praha bho mitra vardhaka bhave kim tvam atma vichestitam smarasi deshantaram adruštva kam shishujanasya vartam kathayishyasi
Uktam cha. Okay. Atha anyasmin ahani. So, generally thought comes first, isn't it? Thought comes to us, and then the implementation part of it. Now, next day he had this kind of thought and he planned this way to go to Deshantara, make money, Arthoparjana, and then Vanchana, and then Sukhi, Sukhi Bhava. Atha, then Anyasmin Ahani, on the following day, Anyasmin Ahani, Anyasmin Dine, Papa Buddhi, Dharma Buddhim Praha, Avochat Aha. So, Praha. Papa Buddhi told to Dharma Buddhi the next day. his plan. Bho Mitra, oh my friend, Vardhaka Bhave, Vardhaka Bhave, Vruddhavasthayam. Vardhaka Bhave means Vardhaka Bhave, Vruddha Avasthayam. Kim Tvam Atma Vichestitam Smarasi. He said, oh friend, in old age, what will you remember as your achievements? Kim Tvam Atma Vichestitam Smarasi. What do you remember about your achievements in old age? Deshantaram adruštva, without seeing a foreign land. He means to say, when you get old, Srinivas, Vardhaka Bhave, Kim Tvam do you Atma Vichestitam, Atmana Vichestitam, done by us. So generally, people tend to do so many things in their young age, right?
Yeah.
That is the phase, second phase of life. And then in the third phase of life, they remember, oh, I used to do like this, I did like this, I did like that. And then that is the stage where they go to narrate their adventures, their experiences to their children, grandchildren also. So that is what this Papa Buddhi is saying. Tvam Atma Vichestitam Smarasi. Kim Tvam Atma Vichestitam Smarasi. Deshantaram Adruštva. Without seeing the Deshantaram, Videsham. Videsham Adruštva. See, not seeing a foreign land, what kind of memories will you carry in your old age? Kam Shishu Janasya Vartam Kataishyasi. So, what kind of stories will you be telling? Will you be telling to your children? What stories can you tell if you have not traveled abroad? So let us go abroad. He is tempting the Dharma Buddhi with this. Deshantaram adruštva kam shishum. Shishum kam vartam shishu janasyam. Sorry. Kam vartam, it goes together. Kam vartam shishu janasya katayishyasi. Tvam katayishyasi. What story will you be telling to your children without going abroad? So there is one more thing here, Srinivas. In our ancient Indian setup, social setup, people used to frequently travel. If you take many poets like Kalidasa also, Kalidasa is also a very poet who has traveled very widely. Banabhatta is another poet, Bana, and that is why Bana has got such a tremendous knowledge of things and everything. The more people travel, the more knowledge they gain, practical knowledge. Traveling to, and that is why this in school curriculum excursions are we used to have. Now I don't know. Now children school going children they have or not, I don't know. But when we were kid, there used to be excursions frequently. Sometimes excursion within the city, sometimes educational tours used to be conducted. That is how I went to in my childhood Nepal and all other places. So that is what he says. What stories will you tell without going to a foreign land? Okay.
देशान्तरेषु बहुविधभाषा वेशादियेन न ज्ञातम् भ्रमता धरणीपीठे तस्य फलं जन्मनो व्यर्थम्.
So he says the same thing is said here. Deshantareshu bahuvidha bhasha veshadi yena na jnatam. So a man who does not go deshantara anyam desham, who does not travel to a foreign neighboring land, neighboring country, bahuvidha bhasha, and does not mingle with various other languages of the other language speaking people. Bahuvidha bhasha veshadi. The moment we go over from our country to a neighboring country, for that matter, language changes, bhasha changes, vesha also changes, isn't it, Srinivas? Bahuvida bhasha. So supposing you go from, immediately you can take Nepal only, I just mentioned. Nepal, the language there is Nepalese, but they understand Hindi, but there's a different country. Or if you go to Sri Lanka, Sinhalese they use, or you go to any other country, immediately the language changes. Not only the bhasha, tatra bheda, vesha, even the dressing also changes. So from nation to nation, dress changes. From country to country. From state to state also we have different costumes, isn't it? Telugu people wear different type of dressing, which Maharashtrians wear different. So bahuvida bhasha veshadi yena purushena na jnatam. This is karmani prayoga. Yena purushena, by which person? Bahuvida bhasha veshadina jnatam deshantareshu, by going over to foreign land and not observed, not known the various languages and the various dress code of the land. Brahmata dharani piti, while roaming on the earth, dharani pita, this dharani is like a pita on this earth, traveling on this earth. Dharani tasya palam janmano vyartham tasya palam. So yena nagnatam, now this emphasis is yena deshantareshu bahuvida bhasha veshadina jnatam tasya tadrushasya purushasya janmanaha phalam vyartham bhavati. His life's purpose is futile. That means his life is a waste. He is a waste fellow. In other words, he is a waste person, or that person's life is waste who does not in his lifetime go over to different countries and learn about different languages and their dressing, etc. Yeah.
तथा च विद्यां वित्तं शिल्पं तावन्न आप्नोति मानवः सम्यक् यावद् व्रजति न भूमौ देशात् देशान्तरं हृष्टः.
Then this Papa Buddhi, though his Papa Buddhi is lecturing is good, Srinivas, full of informative, he has got some knowledge. What do you say? IQ has got, though he is a Papa Buddhi. He says, moreover, Vidyam Vittam Shilpam Tavat na apnoti manavaha samyak. Manavaha Tavat Kalam samyak Vidyam Vittam Shilpam na apnoti. Man does not, apnoti means does not get. A human being does not acquire properly so long. What does he not acquire? Vidya, learning. Vittam, money. Shilpam, what is Shilpa? That is craft. So Vidyam Vittam Shilpam Tavan na apnoti manavaha samyak. So long he will not get proper Vidya, proper money, proper craft. Yavad, until Vrajatina Bhumau, until he moves around on the earth. Now that is what I just referred to. Ancient times, I also gave you names, Kalidas and Banabhatta, two names. There were, all poets used to go around, Srinivas. Go around, mingle with the people, learn their mannerism, learn their language, their habits, etc. And then return with rich experience and then write books, write poetry, whatever they. So Yavad Vrajati, until he roams. You know Vrajati Dhatu? Vrajati?
Yeah, Vraja.
Gachati, Vrajatu, Gamana, Vrajati. Like we have this word in Parivrajaka.
Parivrajaka.
Parivrajaka. Yavad Vrajati, until he roams. Vrajati means roams. Na Bhumau. Where does he roam? Bhumau, Prithiviyam. Deshat Deshantaram. Unless he roams about from one country to another country. Deshat Deshantaram, Deshat Deshan. How should man go about on the earth from one country to another country in order to acquire Vidya, in order to acquire money, in order to acquire craft and skill? Hristaha, that is very important. Hristaha, happily. Hristaha means very with joy. So man should travel not with, I must travel in a compulsive mode, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Man should Vrajati, Hristaha Vrajati, Yavat na Hristaha Vrajati, until he moves with all happiness and sees things, goes over to other country, and then he'll be able to make Vidya, Vitta and Shilpa. So, what is he trying to tell? The Dharma Buddhi. Dharma Buddhi, come on, my friend, let us venture venture out. Let us venture out to get Vidya, Vitta and Shilpa. Until we go, we will not have any experience and nothing to tell, any story. We will not have any stories to tell our children. Come on, let us go. That is how he is kind of encouraging his friend. Papa Buddhi is encouraging Dharma Buddhi. He is motivating him, goading him to go over to foreign land. Atha
अथ स धर्मबुद्धिः तस्य तद्वचनम् आकर्ण्य प्रहृष्टमनः
Manaha.
प्रहृष्टमनः तेनैव सह गुरुजन अनुज्ञातः शुभे अहनि देशान्तरं प्रस्थितः.
Okay. Atha. Then Papa Buddhi told all these things and Dharma Buddhi liked this. Sa Dharma Buddhi, that is why it is given in bracket. Sa Dharma Buddhi tasya Papa Buddhehe tadvachanam, that words, tadvachanam akarnya shrutva 11th. Atha sa Dharma Buddhi tasya tadvachanam tasya Papa Buddhehe tani vachanani tadvachanam आकर्ण्य श्रुत्वा, having this आकर्ण्य नाम श्रुत्वा, आकर्ण्य श्रुत्वा प्रहृष्टमनाः. See the wording of the writer Srinivas. Above in the sloka we have one word used by Papa Buddhi, hrustaha. Now down the hrusta is enhanced by upasarga prahrusta prakarshena. So when Papa Buddhi said, until a man goes around happily, and then he will not be able to get these things, Vidya, Vitta, Shilpa, this fellow became Prahrishtamana, highly exhilarated, you can say. He became so happy, extremely happy. Tena eva, then you break here. Prahrishta manaha tena plus eva, vriddhi sandhi. Tena eva saha. Tena eva papa buddhina eva saha gurujana anugnataha. Elderly permission they took. Gurujana anugnataha. Savanadiri sandhi. Gurujanaihi anugnataha. Anugnataha nama tatra anugnam praptaha. Anugnam praptaha san. Prabhutataram vittam. Oh no, I'm sorry. Anugnataha shubhe ahani. On a very auspicious moment. So, Shubhe Ahani Deshantaram Prasthitaha. Saha Prasthita Dharma Buddhihi Papa Buddhina Saha Deshantaram Prasthitaha. He started for the new land, neighboring country. Deshantaram Prasthita.
तत्र च धर्मबुद्धि प्रभावेण भ्रमता.
No, by the way, I just want to ask you, you're remembering. Prasthitaha, what is the prayoga? It is a tanta prayoga. Prasthita, prasthanam krutavan. Deshantaram prasthanam krutavan. Yeah,
तत्र च धर्मबुद्धि प्रभावेण भ्रमता पापबुद्धिना प्रभूततरं वित्तम् आसादितम्. ततश्च द्वावपि तौ प्रभूतः
प्रभूत उपार्जित.
Yeah, prabhuta uparjita dravyau prahrushtau swagruham prati autsukyena nivruttau.
Very good.
Uktam cha.
Okay. Prasthitaha tatra cha, and there, that means they have now gone over to a foreign land. Tatra means deshantare. Anyasmin deshe cha. Dharma buddhi prabhavena. Now the writer is very beautifully sketching the story. Dharma buddhi prabhavena, not with the prabhava of Papa Buddhi. Papa Buddhi only gave the idea. Dharma buddhi prabhavena, with the influence of Dharma buddhi, Brahmata, roaming around. This is what prayoga? Brahmata, Shatru. Brahman, Brahmantau, Brahmantaha. Brahmantau, Brahmantau, Brahmantaha. Brahmataha. Brahmata, Brahmadbhyam, Brahmadbhihi. Brahmata. So, Dharma buddhi prabhavena, Dharma buddhina. Dharma buddhi prabhavena, Brahmata, Papa buddhi. This is an adjective for Papa buddhi. Next word. Brahmata, Gachata, Atata, or you say Atata, Gachata, Brahmata, Papa Buddhina. So Papa Buddhi going around in the company of the Dharma Buddhi, by going around there in that foreign land, Tatra Videshe Prabhutataram Adhikataram Vittam Asaditam Praptam Arjitam. Asaditam nama Arjitam Praptam. Get. Asada to get. Asaditam Praptam. Prapa. Labdam. In simple words, Labdam. Prabhutataram Vittam Labdam. Praptam. Arjitam. Asaditam. So a lot of money was made in the company of Dharma Buddhi, and Papa Buddhi made in the company of Dharma Buddhi with the help of with the influence of Dharma Buddhi. That carefully we should read that Prabhavena, Dharma Buddhi Prabhavena, Tatascha, and thereafter Dvavapi. How do you break this?
Dvavapi.
This is Ayadi Sandhi. Dvavapi tau, those two friends, Sukhrudau, Prabhuta Uparjita Dravyau, they became highly earned persons. Highly earned persons. Prabhuta Uparjita Dravyau. Prabhutam Uparjitam Dravyam Yabhyam Tau. Okay?
Yeah.
Prabhutam Uparjitam Dravyam. Prabhutataya Uparjitam Dravyam Yabhyam Tau. Prabhutoparjita Dravyau. They became rich persons, both of them. Prahrustau. Now, this is human psychology. When you earn a lot of money, what will be your mental status, Srinivas? Prahrustau.
Yeah.
Already it is described about Dharma Buddhi. Prahrustamana, that is proved now. Prahrustau, becoming very happy. Swagruham Prati. Swagruham Prati, towards their own residence. Outsukyena. Now, when man earns money and returns home, this is a, when you first time begin to earn money and get your salary, Srinivas, you return home with this outsukya, with so lot of enthusiasm and happiness, delight. So, Swagruham Prati Outsukyena Nivruto, they started returning toward their respective home. And it is also said, yeah.
Prapta Vidyartha Shilpanam Deshantar Nivasinam Kroshamatropi Bhubhagaha Shatayojanavat Bhavet.
So, here in this poem, the writer, Vishnu Sharma ji, is describing the feeling of the people who, feeling of the persons who return home having stayed abroad, Srinivas, NRIs.
Yeah.
Let us suppose, having traveled abroad and made money, when they are returning home, what is their feeling like? How would they consider even a small land, even a small piece of land equal to several distinct? So that is what they are saying. Prapta Vidyartha Shilpanam Deshantara Nivasinam. Deshantara Nivasi is a person who lives NRI only. Desha Antara Nivasinam, Videsha Nivasinam. What about them? Prapta Vidya Artha Shilpanam. Those who have got Prapta Vidya Artha Shilpanam. Those who have acquired. I mean, people go abroad for different purposes, like Vidya, for doing higher studies. And for Artha, people go to make money also, either business or service, And some people go to learn craft, Shilpa, Shilpanam, Deshantar Nivasinam. So, people, those who have acquired Prapta, who have acquired this learning, wealth, and other crafts by living in abroad, Krosha Matrahapi Bhubagaha. Even a course of land, Krosha means a course of land. Even a cross appears like Shatayojanavat Bhavit. It looks like 100 yojanas. Now here a measurement is there. Krosha is one yojana, you know, is equivalent to 8 to 9 miles. Anyway, one yojana is equivalent to modern 8 to 9 miles. And this krosha is 4 or 8th part of the yojana. Course, roughly it is calculated as 2 miles. One krosha is 2 miles. So, krosha matra, 2 miles land also will be looking like Shata Yojana, means 800 miles like. That means they will be very eagerly wanting to get into their homeland. Understand, Srinivas?
Yeah.
So when they are traveling, even a small distance looks very big distance because of not living for so many days in their homeland.
Yeah.
So small distance makes them feel like they are separated by hundreds of kilometers. So that is the idea expressed here.
अथ स्वस्थान समीपवर्तिना पापबुद्धिना धर्मबुद्धिः अभिहितः हे भद्र न सर्वमेतद्धनं गृहं प्रति नेतुं युज्यते यतः कुटुम्बिनो बान्धवाश्च प्रार्थयिष्यन्ते.
Yes. Now here comes the Papa Chintanam of Papa Buddhi. Papa Buddhi, now, see, some fellows are so clever in, generally Dharma Buddhi, the very title, the character here is Dharma Buddhi, means he will be thinking in straight lines. He is a very virtuous person. And Papa Buddhi, see how convincingly he is speaking to the Dharma Buddhi. That is very interesting here. Atha then, Swasthana Samipa Vartina, when they were about to reach their respective homes. Swasthana Samipa Vartina, when he was about reaching his own place, Papa Buddhina, by the Papa Buddhi, Dharma Buddhi Abhihitaha Uktaha Katitaha. Dharma Buddhi Katitaha. Dharma Buddhi was told when Papa Buddhi was nearing his place. Now again another idea has come. Now this is the original idea only. Tam Vanchayitva. Earlier he said, na? What he said? Vanchayitva Krutva Enamapi Vanchayitva. Prabhuta, what is that? Arthoparjanam Krutva Enamapi Vanchayitva. So that is taking place now. So Dharma Buddhi Abhitaha, Dharma Buddhir Abhitaha was told, hey Bhadra, oh my friend, na sarvam etad dhanam gruham prati netum yujjate. Sarvam etad dhanam gruham prati netum na yujjate. Na should be linked with yujjate here. Yujjate means na yuktam, na samichinam iti. Oh, my friend, all the money should not be taken home. Is not fit to be taken home. Na yujjate means not fit to be. Whatever we earn, all that money should not be taken, need not be taken, my friend, because Yataha is giving reason. Kutumbinaha Bandhavaha cha Prarthayishyanti. Immediately, if you take so much money, your own family, our own family members, Kutumbinaha, Bandhavaha, and the relations, and the relatives, Prarthayishyanti, they will be asking for, demanding for money. Once people see money, this is but natural that you have so much, why don't you give? I am reminded of Panchatantra only. One beautiful saying, Tukti. Na vittam darshayet prajnaha, Srinivas. Na vittam darshayet prajnaha svalpamapyaho. Somewhere will come that across.
It's coming, the next shloka is that.
It's coming, nahi?
Yeah.
It is there. Okay. I remember. I did not look. I know this. So I need not elaborate it now.
अत्रैव वनगहने क्वापि भूमौ निक्षिप्य किञ्चिन्मात्रम् आदाय गृहं प्रविश्यावः भूयोऽपि प्रयोजने सञ्जाते तन्मात्रं समेत्य अस्मात् स्थानात् नेष्यावः उक्तं च.
Okay. So he said, no, my friend, it is not advisable to take all the money because family members and relatives will be demanding, asking. Tad means therefore, atra eva vanagahane, in this very deep forest. So
Yeah.
what should we do? Gahana, vanagahane, in this very dense, gahana means dense, deep forest. Kwapi, kutrapi, kwapi nama kutrapi. This is avya, kwa. You know this kwa?
Yeah.
Kwa has come several times. Kwa,
Yes.
kutrapi. Kwapi means kutrapi. Somewhere in this dense forest, bhumo, in the ground, nikshipya, hiding. We'll hide somewhere in this dense, thick forest, somewhere in the ground. Bhumau nikshipya, kinchit matram, kinchin matram. So we'll take what little. We will not take the entire amount. Kinchit matram adaya. Adaya nama svikritya. Kinchit matram dhanam adaya svikritya. We will take only little. Gruham pravishavaha. Let us go to our place, our home. Gruham pravishavaha. We will go to our homes, only taking a bit, a little of it, because otherwise we will be asked by people. Bhuyopi, and again, yes, prayojane sanjate sati. Sati saptami prayoga, Sidva. Bhuyopi, and again, prayojane sanjate, when the need arises, when the prayojana, prapte avasare, prayojane sanjate, when the need arises, tanmatram sametya, will come and take that much required amount. We'll take little now, and when the demand crops up, when the need crops up, prayojane sanjate, tanmatram sametya, will come together. Tanmatram, so much will take sametya together, asmat sthanat, from this place only. Neshyavaha we will take. Sametya, asmat sthanat neshyavaha, future tense of nayavaha. Nayami, nayavaha, nayamaha, nishyami, neshyavaha. So we will both take from this place, Uktamcha, because it is said. Now he is convincing him.
Yeah. न वित्तं दर्शयेत् प्राज्ञः कस्यचित् स्वल्पमाप्यहो मुनेरपि यतस्तस्य दर्शनाच्चलते मनः.
So this is the poem which I don't know, I did not see, but it is there. न वित्तं दर्शयेत् प्राज्ञः. प्राज्ञः पंडितः विद्वान् बुधः vittam na darshayet. A wise man should not exhibit about his money. This is so correct, Srinivas. Vittam na darshayet pragnaha. Pragnaha vittam na darshayet. He should not exhibit his money. Kasyachit, to anyone. Kasyachit swalpamapi aho. Swalpamapi vittam, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
Swalpamapi vittam pragnaha na kasyachit darshayet. That is the prose order.
Yeah.
अल्पम स्वल्पमपि धनम प्राज्ञः पंडितः विद्वान पुरुषः न कस्यचित् दर्शयेत. Should not exhibit, show it to anyone, even though it is small amount. What happens, he says, munehe api yatah, because munehe api tasya darshanat, tasya dhanasya darshanat, swalpa darshanat, swalpa manochalana, swalpah स्वल्परूपेण मनः चलितं भवति. अधिक धन दर्शनात् अधिकतया मनः चलितं भवति. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Small amount, small movement, temptation. Big amount, big temptation. Munerapi yatah, because tasya darshanat, here tasya darshanat means tasya dhanasya darshanat chalate manaha. Munehe api manaha chalati. Now he is giving the highest example here. Even the mind of a muni wavers by seeing the money. Now, what to say about the samsari? Understand?
Muni, money.
Very good. Yes, Muni's mind also changes because of money. Then what to say about ordinary samsaris? That is it. So pragnaha swalpamapi vittam na kasyachidapi
Yes, sir.
Na vittam darshayet pra. So that is what, even a little amount should not be. So money is money tempts people. Even the mind, as you said, muni, money, both go together. Muni's mind and all makaras only. Muni's mind is tempted because of money. So what to say of the people? Next poem you have to read. Tatacha.
Yeah, तथा च तथा विषं जले मत्स्यैः भक्ष्यते श्वापदैर्भुवि आकाशे पक्षिभिश्चैव तथा सर्वत्र वित्तवान्.
How beautifully he says. So this is where Panchatantra is world famous, Srinivas. Practical knowledge. Vittavan. Vittamastyasti iti Vittavan. Vittavan Dhanavan. Vittavan nama Dhanavan. Yatha Amisham. Amisham nama Mamsam. Yatha Amisham Mamsam Jale Masyaihi Bhakshyati. Just as meat in water is consumed by fishes. There are so many fishes, you know. Fishes consume fishes also, big fishes, yeah, that is known to us.
Yeah.
So if you know some fishermen who catch hold of these fishes, they also use some worms. That is also the flesh, isn't it? So yatha prakarena amisham mamsam jale matsyaihi bhakshati. Very simple, karmani prayoga. Jale matsyaihi bhakshyate khadyate shwapadaihi bhuvi. And shwapadaihi by animals on the earth. On the ground, the same meat is eaten by the animals like you can say dog, etc., another tiger, lion, etc. Shwapadaihi bhuvi bhakshyati yatha amisham matsyaihi jale bhakshyati shwapadaihi bhuvi pruthivyam bhakshyati akashe pakshibhischaiva. And the same meat is also eaten by akashe pakshibhihi vihagaihi akashe chaiva tata. In the similar manner, yatha tata, in the similar manner, sarvatra vittavan api bhakshyati janaihi. A moneyed person is also eaten by other moneyless people. So there is this conflict is there. The have-nots, like if you know the terminology of haves and have-nots, communism. The haves means the vittavan. Vittavan will be eaten by have-nots, by the people who have no money. So therefore, the idea is here, connecting to the previous poem 434, one should not exhibit money. So this is how Papa Buddhi is tutoring wonderfully, preparing the mind of the Dharma Buddhi to keep all the money in the jungle and knock it off on his own. Tadakarnya.
तदाकर्ण्य धर्मबुद्धिः आह हे भद्रा एवं क्रियताम्.
See, Dharma Buddhi immediately accepted Srinivas.
Yeah.
The discourse of this Papa Buddhi was so powerful that Tadakarnya Tashrutva Dharma Buddhi aha Bhadra evam kriyatam.
तथा अनुष्ठिते द्वावपि तौ स्वगृहं गत्वा सुखेन संस्थितवन्तौ. अथ अन्यस्मिन् अहनि पापबुद्धि निशीथे अटव्यां गत्वा तत्सर्वं वित्तं समादाय गर्तं पूरयित्वा स्वभवनं जगाम.
Okay, then go back.
Yeah.
Okay, Tadakarnya, immediately listening to that, Dharma Buddhi aha Bhadra Mitra evam kriyatam. See, this fellow is so straightforward. In one sentence he accepted evam kriyatam. One said, okay, let it be done. Tatha anusthite. He said, okay, let it be done. Evam kriyatam. Tatha anusthite. When that was put into, I mean, that was followed, that was implemented. Tatha anusthite. Dvav api, tau, those two fellows, swagruham gatva, going over to their home, sukhena samsthitavanto, they stayed very happily going home. Atha then, anyasmin ahani, but this Papa Buddhi, next day only, anyasmin ahani Papa Buddhi, nishithe, at the mid of the night, you know. So Papa Buddhi reached Nishita midnight. Nishite atavyam gatva, he went into the forest tat sarvam vittam samadaya. He took the entire money. Tat sarvam vittam samadaya vikrutya gartam purayitva, and filled the pit. Gartam is pit.
Yeah.
Gartam purayitva, having filled the pit where they hid the money. Swabhavanam jagama, he went to his place. So imagine in those days, no cameras we have now, surveillance cameras. So and the time he selected is Nishiti Samaya, mid of the night, midnight. Atha, yeah, you can read.
अथ अन्येद्युः धर्मबुद्धिं समभ्येत्य प्रोवाच हे सखे बहुकुटुम्बा वयं वित्तम् अभाव
वित्ताभावात्
वित्ताभावात् सीदामाः तद्गत्वा तत्र स्थाने किञ्चित् मात्रं धनम् आनयावः सोऽब्रवीत् भद्र एवं क्रियताम्.
This so-called Dharma Buddhi is stupid fellow. See, in his dialogue only, evam kriyatam, he saying. And Papa Buddhi goes on lecturing him and giving him very wonderful ideas.
Yeah.
And this innocent fellow, virtuous fellow says, evam kriyatam, let it be done. So what he fellow said, atha anyedhyuhu. So next day, night he did this mischief, robbery. He knocked off the entire money. Atha anyedhyuhu. The next day, dharma buddhim samabhyetya. Dharma buddhim prati agatya. Dharma buddhim samabhyeta means approaching. Approaching the dharma buddhi, provacha, he said, Sakhe, my friend, bahu kutumba vayam. Visarga lopa. We are people with big family, you can say. Bahu kutumba means, what do you say?
Yeah.
What do you say, Srinivas? We have very big families, large families. Bahu kutumba vayam. Vitta abhavat, due to lack of money. Vittasya abhavat, vitta abhavat, sidamaha, pidam anubhavamaha. Sidam. This word sada dhatu. Sada sida. Sidami, sidavaha, sidamaha. It has several meanings, sada dhatu. One meaning is to break and to suffer also. So, vitta abhavat, pidam anubhavamaha. Tad, so, gatva tatra sthane, very innocently he says, tatra tad gatva, so therefore going there, tatra sthane, he is not even clearly uttering that cleverly, Srinivas. Tatra sthane kinchit matram, dhanam anayavaha. Little of the money will bring, going there, that place. What place? No one should come to know that. So, we'll go there and get kinchin matram dhanam anayavaha. So abravit, and that person Dharma Buddhi said, Bhadra, my friend, evam kriyatam, let it be done. What is the problem? Then
We'll see in the next class, sir.
yeah, we'll stop. Shubham Bhuyat.